Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about the iPhone 7, how it's available free now on Metro by T-Mobile. So let's talk to you guys about this promotion because they have previously done a promotion where you can get an iPhone 7 for about $30, but now you can actually get one for free, which is best time, especially with the whole pandemic going on. So yeah, let's get into it and see if you guys are interested. Like I said, this runs on T-Mobile's network, so just make sure you have coverage in your area, guys. So here it is. This is brought to you by bestmvno.com. Check them out. Very good website for information. Like I said, I don't do too many videos on Metro by T-Mobile, so this is a good place to get some information. And I like to see what the competition has to offer as well. It says the iPhone 7 is now free for switchers at Metro by T-Mobile. So right there in the first, line, it says you have to switch over. So remember, you have to switch over from a can't be a previously activated Metro by T-Mobile line unless you have to wait, I believe, 90 days from having it. So it can't be T-Mobile related either. It could be anything else, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, well, they're kind of gone now, US Cellular, any prepaid carriers as well that doesn't use T-Mobile's network, basically is what I'm trying to say. It has been available previously for $29.99. The iPhone 7 seems to be a featured, low-cost Apple device that carries prepaid brands are using to try and lure in new customers. So that is pretty true now that remember back when all the prepaid companies especially, were giving away the iPhone 6 or 6S. Now it's the iPhone 7's turn, and that's pretty cool. So now it's the iPhone 7's turn to be able to be given at a low cost to entice new customers, basically to switch over to Metro by T-Mobile and all that stuff. I believe Boost Mobile has it for $50. They did have it for $29.99, but they switched it up to $50. So it's nice to see that Metro by T-Mobile is offering it for free. Remember, the only really caveat so far is you have to switch from a carrier. Now let's say, it says at the end of July, Cricket also offered it for free before recently adjusting its deal price back to up to $50. Wow. So by the end of July, Cricket was offering it for free, but now they're offering it for $49.99, guys. So $50 if you want to go on AT&T's network. So for months, AT&T stores have been featuring the device on storefront windows as available for $99. So if you didn't want to go with prepaid, you could go with AT&T prepaid as well. They were offering it for $99, which, yeah, it's there. It says, and Boost Mobile has had a deal with a fluctuating price between $29.99 and $49.99. So like I was telling you guys, the price with Boost Mobile has fluctuated up and down between about $29.99 and $50. So $30 or $50, it fluctuates. So sometimes it might go down to $30, sometimes it might go back up to $50, it just depends. It says, like all of the available promos, Metro offers come with limitations. So there are some limitations. The first one, of course, being you have to have a number switch over, and it can't be on T-Mobile's network. It says Metro gets a new iPhone 7 on us, offer fine print. So let's go ahead and read that fine print, guys. It says this offer is available in store only and is only available to customers porting in. So you cannot get this offer online. It has to be in store only. So just know that stock might vary. So it just might depend. If your store is very busy, it might run out of stock pretty soon. It says port-in promo eligibility requires that the customer must not have been a Metro subscriber within the past 90 days. So you couldn't have had Metro by T-Mobile the last 90 days. So if you just switched over, if you had Metro and you just switched over to Boost Mobile, and then a month later you're like, hey, I want to go back to Metro and get this deal, you can go back to Metro, but you cannot get the deal. You won't be able to of course, get it unless you change your number, but then either way you won't be able to get the offer since you need to have a port-in eligible number. It says if you're a former customer looking to take advantage of the deal, take note. According to Wave 7 Research most recent prepaid report, early next month, Metro is likely to change its current customer phone promo eligibility upgrade interval from 90 days to 180 days. So right now, Metro by T-Mobile offers you upgrades. If you're a current customer, every 90 days. They're going to double that to 180. So you're gonna have to wait 180 days before you can take advantage of any kind of upgrade promo deals, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It says this follows similar changes to Boost and Cricket Wireless. Most recently increased their current customer promo upgrade eligibility time frame to 180 days. So as you can see, both Boost Mobile and Cricket have kind of jumped on that bandwagon, and now it's a Metro by T-Mobile's turn. So it's like, hey, if you guys are doing it, why can't we? You know, so yeah. It says, and both also increase their returning as new customers promo eligibility timeframes to 180 days. Given the changes to Boost and Cricket, I believe Metro will likely follow suit here and also increase their returning as a new customer switcher promo eligibility timeframe to 180 days. So what it's saying is both Boost and Cricket will, instead of doing 90 days, they're going to up it to 180 days, where you can come back to them and get a promo deal. This, I think, is good for the prepaid customers. I mean, prepaid companies, not the customers so much, because back then, I remember when I first started, you could get Boost and try it out for a month. If you don't like it and Metro had a better deal, you can just switch over. So a lot of people would just be hopping between one prepaid carrier to another just to get the deals or get the phones at a cheaper price and then sell them or something like that. And of course, that's costing the prepaid companies a lot of money, guys, because if you think about it, they're giving you a $300 phone for free. You know, they need to recoup that money and by selling you on their service, and then of course you're paying your bill. So that's a couple things. One more thing I kind of want to show you guys while I was checking out Metro's website. Let me show you. Let's go to it. Alright guys, so now that we're here, it's pretty cool now. Metro by T-Mobile now as well. This is the second part of the video. Lets you shop online, which is pretty nice. As you can see here, you can buy a phone from Metro by T-Mobile now online, where before you could not. So as you can see, here's some of the look at that. That's a funny price. It says $120 when you switch plus tax and activation fees. Huh? Yeah, I don't know about all that, but whatever. So you can see you can buy the phones now through their website. You can see the prices, where you can see the LG Stylus 6 is $259, where you can get it cheaper on Boost Mobile. So now you can actually compare prices. That's pretty cool. 5G compatible device for only $400. iPhone 11, of course, $700. Doesn't even give you a discount like Boost Mobile. So like I said, you know, the Moto G Stylus, there it is, $239.99. The iPhone XR, iPhone A11 was not too bad of a price. iPhone 8 Plus still offering the 8 Plus, which is kind of shocking. A lot of people don't even sell it anymore, and you can definitely tell the ratings there. They're pretty low on some of these phones. There's LG K51, same thing, 2.7 stars. Good God. I don't know why the iPhone SE is so low rated. It's not super low rated, but I would think for the price, you know, people would be better with it. But $400, normal price, of course. The A21. So here now you can actually see the prices. Like I say, compare them, where it might be actually smarter sometimes to switch over to Boost Mobile, since Boost Mobile now uses T-Mobile's network. Like the Moto E is $160. You can get that way cheaper on Boost Mobile, guys. The Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is $500. Let's say just showing you some of the phones that you can actually get. Wow, an iPhone 7 for $350. But like I said, see that $350 price. If you switch over to Metro by T-Mobile, you can get that for free. So like I said, here's just some phones here that I'm showing you with of the prices, you know, so check it out. Still an LG Stylus 5. So not bad at all, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and are you excited that you can finally shop on Metro by T-Mobile? And also, what do you think about getting an iPhone 7? Is it still worth it, or is it still too old for you? Let me know in the comments below, and I have more videos in the works, like some gaming reviews on some phones. So check that out for the next video, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. Thank you.